welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be doing a Valentine's Day decor haul. I'm going to share with you all of the new pieces I've picked up to decorate for Valentine's Day this year, and then we're also going to unbox all of my existing Valentine's Day decor. I kind of want to look through what I've got and see what all we have to work with this year. So let's go ahead and get into today's video. You'll have to excuse my appearance. I kind of just decided to film this on a whim. So it's a cold and kind of snowy, wintry day in January. And so yeah, sweatshirts it is and just feeling cozy and comfortable at home. But let's go ahead and get into today's video. So the first place I decided to shop for new Valentine's Day decor was Hobby Lobby, one of my favorite stores ever, you guys know. But I was in there and the Valentine's Day decor was already 40% off, I think. So I just went ahead and grabbed pretty much most of the stuff that I wanted. I feel like if you wait until it goes any more on sale, you're just gonna miss out on the things that you want. So I went ahead and picked up a bunch of things. Not a bunch, maybe like 3 or 4. But okay, so the first thing I picked up is actually this miniature wreath. It is just kind of like a, I don't know, like a twig wreath, a berry wreath. I'm not sure what you would call these, but so it does have pink and white little hearts and berries all around, and this was originally $9.99. Again, 40% off when I bought it. So I believe that this is going to go in my diffuser area in my kitchen. So we will be doing a Valentine's decor clean and decorate video. So be sure to stay tuned for that if you want to see how I end up using all of these pieces. I won't give away too much right now. Okay, another thing from Hobby Lobby I got is actually this pack of little felt envelopes. They have red, pink, and white. So I saw a bunch of people using these last year, and by the time I got around to like wanting them last year, they were already sold out. So I went ahead and got them early this year, and they were regular $5.99 for this bag, and there's quite a few in this bag. So we will see what I end up doing with these. Obviously tier tray material for sure. So another thing I got are these little bowls from Hobby Lobby. It's a set of 2. The bottom one has X's and O's and hearts on it, and the top one is just solid red. These were regular $10.99, and I was just thinking for the bottom shelf of my chicken wire shelf on my kitchen table, these will fit perfectly in there, and I don't really have very many little small dishes like this for Valentine's Day, so I'm excited to have these. So as you can see, I do a big combination of like white, pinks, and reds. You'll see a little bit of everything. Another thing I picked up is this small pink pitcher from Hobby Lobby. This was regular $6.99 at Hobby Lobby, and this is definitely going next to my diffuser in the corner of my kitchen. So stay tuned for that. Obviously, it pairs really well with this little wreath. I think that's it. The last thing I got from Hobby Lobby was just a craft kit for Grant and I to do. It's these little felt gnomes, and you just put their little clothes on. We did a bunch of these around Christmas, and he really loved them, so I decided to pick up the Valentine's Day ones. Okay, so the only other thing I have bought so far this year for Valentine's Day is a set of hand towels. I got these from Home Goods. I was looking for a set, or for basically a tea towel. I really needed a tea towel with pink hearts on it to go in the corner with my diffuser. So you're getting the theme here for that little corner. But this is the only set I could find. It comes with the tea towel with the pink hearts on it, and then it does have a solid pink towel. This one's a little more thicker, better probably for drying your hands or dishes. And then it did come with 2 dishcloths in it too in the solid pink. So it was $6.99, a decent price for all of these. I didn't technically need all of them, but that's all I could find so far. So it's a good set though. Like, I mean, I'll definitely use these other things too. So that is everything new I have purchased so far. I'm not saying I may end up going out to Walmart probably this weekend and checking their selection again. I went a week or two ago and they had absolutely like no decor out in the Valentine's Day section. So I don't know if it's already been like wiped out or if they just haven't stocked it yet. So I'm not sure. I don't really need much more. I don't do a ton of Valentine's Day decorating. Mainly just doing like a few little vignettes around the house, you know, like a tiered tray, my chicken wire shelf, my diffuser area, probably the peg rail shelf, you know, my usual things. So we'll see how that goes. But that is all the new things that I've gotten this year. So let's go ahead and unbox my existing Valentine's Day decor and see what I've got. I did go into my kitchen cabinet. I have one of my corner cabinets is full of basically all of my seasonal Rae Dunn dishes. So I brought some of those in here to share with you. I have this little loaf pan that says XOXO. As you can see, I've never actually baked in it. The sticker's still on it and I've had this thing for years. But I usually end up using this somewhere. I have a red mug that says Be Mine. I have a pink travel cup that has X's and O's on it. And then I do have a spatula that says Be Mine. It's double-sided. So those are the kitchen items that I've collected over the years. So I do have my tub here with my Valentine's Day and St. Patrick's decor in it. So let's look through this. Okay, on top, I do have my old Valentine's Day dish towels. I think these came from Target some years ago. You have the red one with the hearts and the pink one has X's and O's on it. These are still in perfectly good shape, so I'm sure I will use these and rotate it out with the new pink one that I got. So I have those. I have some fake florals here. I used to use these when I made the wreath for my front porch, but I must have used them in an arrangement last year. They're just from the Dollar Tree. They are just red and white roses and hearts, so they will probably be used for fillers on tiered tray. I do have this miniature heart wreath. This came from the Target dollar spot either last year or 2 years ago. This year they have really cute ones that are in the shape of an X and O with pink and red berries, and I really want to get one. But they're $5 each now, and I'm just like, geez, I don't need to buy any more miniature wreaths for $5. So we're gonna go with this one. It'll be a nice pop of very bright green on my peg rail shelf. So we'll use that. I have this Rae Dunn sign. It's two metal hearts and says Be Mine. That's more of like this is more of like a hot pink or reddish color. I guess hot pink. Okay, there's like stuff mixed in here. I have a sign that says Hugs. This is Rae Dunn. I have a sign that says Valentine. A few tiered tray items. I have this buffalo check heart. This is from Hobby Lobby a few years back. It's just solid red on the other side. So I'm not doing a ton of buffalo check anymore, but maybe I could use the red side. I have this cute little wooden coffee cup from Hobby Lobby a couple years ago. This will probably go next to my coffee maker. I have this pink Rae Dunn sign that says Love. I think this may have originally been from Kirkland's because Rae Dunn did a couple of lines for Kirkland's back in the day. This probably was one of the first Rae Dunn pieces I ever had. I do have a set of these beads from Hobby Lobby, the red and then like the natural wood color, and then they have the heart and the tassel at the bottom. These will probably be going on a tiered tray or my chicken wire shelf. have this little sign. It says I love us. Okay, and then the last item I have came from the Dollar Tree years ago. I used to use this on our front door wreath. It's this hanging heart sign, and it says welcome. I remember hanging this from my peg rail shelf last year, so maybe that's where it will get used again, probably so. So that is all the Valentine's Day decor I have to share with you guys today. All of the new pieces I picked up from Hobby Lobby and Home Goods, and then all of the existing decor I have. As you can see, I don't have a huge stash. I don't go all out for Valentine's Day, but just adding a few touches here and there. I really want to celebrate all the holidays and make them fun and festive for my family, so I really enjoy that. Stay tuned. I will be doing a Valentine's Day clean and decorate with me video where we will be using all of these items around the main living area of our house and making it look fun and festive. All my winter decor has been taken down and packed away, and even though it's still like cold and snowy outside, I'm excited to add a little bit more color, and spring is on the way, I hope. I've got the winter like doldrums, and I'm just so ready for some sunshine and some warm weather. If you feel the same, let me know in the comments. But thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel if you are new here at Kindly Katey. I like to do home decor, cleaning, and mom life videos. So that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you very soon with my Valentine's Day clean and decorating video. Bye guys!